Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did my makeup for Claire Redfield from Resident Evil 2 Remake. I'm going to start by concealing my dark circles, and then I'm going to use a high coverage foundation to even out my skin tone. Curling my eyelashes to then apply the mascara. Using a black pencil, I'm going to line my waterline and tightline. For the lips, I'm going to be using NYX's lip cream in the shade Montreal. I'm going to apply a very subtle blush tone just to give myself some color. Next, I'm going to draw freckles on my nose, cheeks, and a bit on my forehead. The trick to drawing freckles is to use a very thin pointed pencil. I am using a brow pencil in a light brown color to achieve this look. And what you want to do is you want to vary the pressure you put on each freckle you're drawing so they look more realistic. Now let's get dirty and injured, just so we look like we have been fighting zombies all day. I'm applying Prosade where I want to sculpt a cut using scar wax. Just take a tiny bit out and roll it like so, and once the Prosade is clear, it is ready to apply. Now I'm going to dip my spatula in Vaseline just so I can sculpt this without it sticking to the scar wax. Now I'm going to use scab blood with a toothpick for the inside of the cut. Now with the stipple sponge, I'm going to be adding scratches all over my face, neck and chest. And now to paint, I'm going to use alcohol activated paints with a sea sponge to add some dirt, bruises, and dry blood. I'm also using toilet paper with alcohol to soften the colors. And you can do this entire technique with toilet paper. You don't really need to use a sea sponge. For the bruises, I'm using a purplish pinkish tone. And for the dry blood, I'm using this dark red tone, which I think is quite realistic. And the makeup is pretty much done. I know this is a very simple look, but I had a lot of fun doing it. I truly enjoyed the game and the character, so I had to portray her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you did. And I will see you next time.